Let's grill a flank steak on the Smoking Brothers Grill.
Ooh-wee. Look at that bad boy.
It's been marinating in a half a cup of my beef and big game sauce, 3 tablespoons of chipotle garlic, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to dust it with a little more chipotle garlic butter. We're grilling at 425 degrees today. And we're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes on one side, then get it flipped.
It's hot out here. Cheers.
All right, let's look at those grill marks. Yeah, they look good. And we're going to season it again on the other side with more chipotle garlic butter. Okay, let's check our temperature. We're looking for a temperature of 130 to 135 degrees.
Woo-wee. Look at that bad boy. Two more minutes.
Okay, we're ready to come off. Let's get this bad boy on the pan. Okay, now we'll get it sliced up. I like to slice it at an angle, slice it really thin, and make sure you're slicing it against the grain. Today I have 2 homemade hot sauces made with habaneros. One's like an orange, Caribbean red, and the other one is a green habanero, onion, and garlic hot sauce dip. So delicious. Okay, let's get the rest of this cut up for dinner. You know, I just seared it and it was fantastic. I mean, look at this beautiful color. I dipped it in some homemade red and green habanero hot sauce that I made for my garden peppers. Man, simple. Put this on taco, put it in a burrito, eat it with your hands, just share it with people. And it's simple, it's easy, it's fun, and it's really delicious.